Looky here. It's a Chicago dog. Yum. Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste testing episode of Griddle Porn. Today, we are at Hubby's doghouse in Mount Prospect. I have to check the receipt to see where the heck I am. I'm lost. No, I'm not lost. There's always someone willing to tell me where to go. Okay, enough dramatic introspection, whatever. We're at Hubby's doghouse, and since we're at the doghouse, we got us a Chicago dog. Got mustard on me. I may very well be in the doghouse for not bringing one home with me for the significant other. But see, it's got the poppy seeds like it should. It's got the pickles, tomatoes, lime green or neon green relish, onions, celery salt. And it's got a nice char on it. So that's a good, legitimate Chicago dog from Hubby's doghouse. It's a little hole-in-the-wall place, which I look for. They got really cool names on the menu, like the Golden Retriever dog and the Mutt dog and the, I don't know, Beagle dog or something. I don't pay attention. Prices are fantastic. This was what was it? $3.99 for the dog. $2 for the water. Oh no, it's a jumbo dog, so that's an extra $2. So anyway, I spent less than $9 for a Chicago dog and a bottle of water, so it's a thumbs up. Mount Prospect, dogs in the house, or doghouse, Hubby's doghouse. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat this, and it's gonna be messy, and I don't want you to sit through that. And thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye.